Let's go.
Stop that, get up. Stop that, get up. Stop that, get up.
Let's go.
I know it's fat enough. I know it's fat enough. I know it's fat enough. I know it's fat.
Let's go.
Don't get that, don't get that, don't get that.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video for me. I am doing my first unboxing and I decided to support a small business, and this business came across my Facebook. It's a small woman-owned business, Fenixx Nail Co., located in Phoenix, Arizona. I placed 2 orders. The first order I actually placed weeks and weeks ago, and I'm just now opening it because I needed the content, so I wanted to wait until I was ready to record. And the second order that I'm going to be opening is also from Fenixx Nail Co., and I placed it about a week ago. She had a flash sale going on and I wanted to take advantage of that, so I'm just opening them both at the same time. The colors that I purchased will be listed on the screen. Let's get into it.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock.
Also wanted to point out, not only does she have the color chip on top, but the shape of her bottle being square is perfect for organizing and taking up less space.
Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit.
So this is the second order that I placed. This was the sale where she was doing 60% off, and I purchased some more gel polishes and another loose glitter.
I'm letting God handle all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. What were they talking about on your timeline? That's cutting on in my time. My time with you now.
Do a side-by-side on these 2 glitters. One is more pink based. The Stellar Oasis has more of a pink base to it, and the Golden Sunset is more of an orange based glitter. I could definitely see using these two together because the pink does have some orange glitter in it, so I think they would look really nice together. So yes, I am very happy with both of my orders. Everything came in a timely fashion. I appreciate the secure packaging and the way everything was laid out. The quality is great. The customer service was amazing, and I do plan on supporting her again in the near future. I will be dropping her link down below in the description box. Please don't hesitate to check her out. Thank you all so much for joining me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all again soon in the next one. Bye.